Ed and everybody. So far, this storm has been affecting the greater Boston metropolitan area and the North Shore, the hardest, also parts of the South Shore so far. Now, anywhere from a little under 2 inches, and I say that because Millis only has 1.5 inches of snow, to upwards of 8 inches on parts of the North Shore that have been involved in the snow bands so far. And the temperatures are plunging at this time. Now, the heaviest will occur from about 7 p.m. tonight to 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. And the winds will really pick up, particularly around southeastern Mass and Cape Cod. That's where there's a blizzard warning in effect. And again, we're going to be explaining more about that as we go on. There could be whiteout conditions, particularly along the coast and particularly southeastern Mass and the Cape during the overnight hours into tomorrow morning. The rest of us, it's a winter storm warning in effect until 10 a.m. tomorrow. Now, this is just an example of some of the snowfall accumulations we have. This is very fluid because some areas are building quickly, others more slowly. Some areas it's hardly snowing, but Georgetown's had 7 inches, Peabody 5.5, Wilmington at least 5 inches of snow, Lunenburg 4, Boston a short time ago was a little under 4, so they're probably just over 4 at this particular time. That is for Boston. Now, look at these temperatures. Boston was in the 20s earlier. It's 12 degrees. The wind was coming more from the east. Now it's more from the north. And some of the coldest air that I've ever seen with significant snow is settling into the region. Look at this. It's almost down to 0 in Concord, New Hampshire, and Portsmouth right now. It's only 5 degrees in Worcester. And when the air is that cold and you're still getting steady snow, there is a fluff factor. In other words, it doesn't take much rain or water to really pile up the snow. That's why the amounts are an estimate. We may have to tweak them as we go along. It's not nearly as cold, but it's still snowing on the Cape. Nantucket's been flipping back and forth so far between rain and snow. Now, I want to show you the visibilities. The lowest visibility, like 1/4 to half a mile, right here, greater Boston metropolitan area. That's where the snow has been steadiest. Then you head down south of the Pike to much of Connecticut and central and southern Rhode Island. The visibility is pretty high because there's hardly anything going on. But you see the snow in the greater Boston metropolitan area, also out to the west. Now, we talk about the bigger part of the storm. It's not just what's been coming up today. It's what's really off to our south and west that will be coming in tonight, merging with the area that's here. Look at all of Pennsylvania down to Maryland and Delaware. Of course, we're too warm to get it as rain, so we will get it as snow, and that's what's going to come in overnight. I want to give you a little idea of a timeline. We talk about 7 o'clock tonight. The steadiest and heaviest will still be in eastern Massachusetts. But then we'll see these two areas converge. All of us will be involved in good snows overnight. The heaviest will be along the coast, I-95 south and east. It's going to go right on into tomorrow morning, so please be aware of that.